And we start tonight at 11 with several new efforts to increase COVID-19 testing and tracing across Indiana. We know tonight those are the two biggest concerns for state leaders once we finally start reopening. Andrea, this could set Indiana ahead of the curve in the coming weeks.
Absolutely, Scott. In fact, we are talking about local initiatives as well as statewide studies. And they aren't just focusing on testing. They're trying to really find out just how significant the spread of COVID-19 really is across the state of Indiana. So tonight, our own Alan Carter shares the one thing organizers need from you tonight to kickstart this process.
13,000 Hoosiers that we know of have gotten COVID-19. That's according to statewide testing. But most every expert says they know that number is much, much higher.
All evidence points to it being more widespread than we thought it was in the beginning.
Before there's any shot at getting back to normal, health officials want to know how prevalent it is. And as soon as this weekend, studies will start to find out.
If we're only testing people with the most serious symptoms, it seems like we're only looking at the tip of the iceberg. What our study allows us to do is look below the water and see the entire iceberg and try to get a sense of how large it is.
The state plans to test 5,000 randomly selected Hoosiers across the state, looking not only to see active infections, but also how many have recovered and have antibodies.
We've started reaching out to people today, and I hope that if you are contacted, you will agree to participate.
Another study from the IU School of Medicine wants to look specifically at people who may be asymptomatic.
If you're out in the community, how likely is it that you walking along with no symptoms at all that would be anything to do with COVID actually have COVID?
They need volunteers for their at-home testing. You can find out how on our website. And in Fishers, the mayor says anyone who wants a COVID-19 test can get one. Part of a $2.5 million recovery plan, the city hopes to begin offering free testing to its residents next week. The Marion County Health Department also plans to offer testing, particularly in areas with high rates of the disease, specifically where African Americans have been disproportionately affected. For state leaders, getting this data is key to making decisions going forward, and we could see results to some of these studies in a matter of weeks.
Alan, thank you so much. Researchers say each of these studies really makes Indiana among the first in the entire nation to start collecting this type of information on a larger scale.
Here's a snapshot of where Indiana stands in terms of COVID-19 on this Thursday night. More than 13,000 positive cases and 706 Hoosiers have now died from the coronavirus. The state health department reported 45 more deaths today that took place between April 6th and April 22nd. 612 new cases have been added to Indiana. Now, Marion County continues to be the hardest hit county in the state of Indiana with more than 4,400 cases, including 160 new cases since just yesterday. We've also had 228 deaths. The other county I want to pay attention to tonight is up here at Cass County. 199 cases in Cass County, including 61 since yesterday. Now, Cass County, of course, that's where the Tyson plant in Logansport is shutting down temporarily to test workers after causing an outbreak in that area. Now, I want to show you what's happening here in some of the donut counties. Johnson County with 478 positive cases right now. Hendricks County has 565. Boone County with 172. Hamilton County with 645 positive cases, and Madison County with 359. Now, let me give you some context of where we are with these numbers tonight. So far, more than 72,000 Hoosiers have been tested for COVID-19. 18% are coming back positive. Now, according to a report from Politico, this means Indiana has the 15th highest positive test rate in the country, but we're behind several of our neighbors like Ohio, Illinois, and Michigan.
And new tonight, a local pastor is calling the governor's stay-at-home order an attack on religious freedom.
We are officially in a situation where your religious freedoms have been removed in the interests of public health. So on one hand, the church has been deemed essential, but on the other, we're not allowed to gather. I personally believe this is a fundamental attack on the definition of what the church is. We studied on Sunday from Matthew chapter 16, where Jesus
Dave Summerall, who posted this message to the ITOWN Church Instagram page, announcing the building will reopen for services this weekend. Now, in order to follow the stay-at-home order and the CDC guidelines, ITOWN Church will only allow 10 people at a time to gather for Sunday worship. They're going to start a new service every hour. Worshipers will have to sign up for slots online. And the name ITOWN Church may sound a little familiar to you. In fact, the group has been sending food as well as supply donations to people across central Indiana in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak.
11, we're waiting to see when the president will sign that new $484 billion relief package. The House passed it earlier tonight, including $320 billion for the Paycheck Protection Program that would give forgivable loans to small businesses so they can keep employees on the payroll. You probably remember the last round of funding for that program ran out in less than 2 weeks, so small businesses in need of help should have their applications ready to go when this new round of money finally hits. Ruth's Chris is returning a $20 million small business loan it received from the Paycheck Protection Program. That money is meant for small businesses with fewer than 500 employees. But several major companies found a loophole, taking more than $500 million from the first round of relief funding. Now restaurants like Ruth's Chris are returning the money after major public backlash. Meantime, millions of people tonight are still joining the unemployment line. Unfortunately, 26 million people have applied for benefits so far since the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak. More than 4.4 million of them filed during the last week alone. Here in Indiana, our numbers dropped to 75,000 claims last week, but that's still much higher than the average before the pandemic hit. So many people are struggling to make ends meet right now. So we want to let you know that there is help available for you. Indiana reopened its hardest hit fund that offers $30 million for Hoosiers struggling to pay their mortgage and sharing resources to help you work with lenders and landlords. The number is 877-GET-HOPE. They also have a website, and both of those are posted right now on WTHR.com.